Good day, my lovely ones over there. My name is Aderojolari Michael. Today we are looking at what we call consonant contrast. We are going to contrast four sounds today. The first one is T and while the second batch is D and Th. Let us learn how to pronounce these words and how to differentiate them. Thank you. Please enjoy it. Thin, thin. Tree, three. Trail, thrill. Tick, thick. Tank, thank. I hope you've learned how to differentiate the words that are having T and Th. Now, let us learn words having D and Th. There, there. Then, worthy, worthy. Dense, thence. Though, though. It is of great joy for me today that you've learned one or two things today in today's topic, consonant contrast. My name is Aderojolari Michael once again. Please don't forget to share this page and don't forget to subscribe on the channel for more informative and educative video. Thank you.